Make some jerk seasoning for chicken. Okay, we're sitting at the table today. I hope y'all can see me. Okay, we need 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Let me make sure y'all can see me. Okay. I think you can. Okay, we need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Okay, we're going to need 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. Now, if you don't like spice, you can leave that out. 2 teaspoons of salt. Two teaspoons of black pepper. Okay, let me pour it in this thing I've got here. Okay. Two teaspoons of thyme. One teaspoon of ground allspice. One teaspoon of dry parsley. I didn't ground mine up yet, so I'm just gonna get a bunch out. I just put it in the thing. I dried this myself and growed it myself. One teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon of paprika. Okay. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Yeah, 1 teaspoon. Okay, let me pour that in here. One teaspoon of red pepper flakes. 1/2 teaspoon. Half teaspoon of cinnamon, and we got Ceylon, Ceylon, cinnamon. If you can't find it, you can use cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Well, half a teaspoon. Now you have to order this offline. I don't see no store having it, so you have to order this kind of cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, cloves. You're going to need a half a teaspoon of cloves. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cumin. Okay. Okay, we got it all mixed up. Now we're going to take it over here to our crock pot. We got 8 chicken thighs in the crock pot. Okay. We ain't got nothing in there. No juice, no nothing, no water, no nothing. We just got the chicken. 8 pieces of chicken thighs. Okay, and we're going to use 3 tablespoons of the mix that we just mixed up. 3. That's it. Sprinkle it on top of your chicken. And that's what comes in a pack if you buy it at the store. 3 tablespoons. And believe me, that's a whole lot of seasoning. And that's it. You let your chicken cook 4 to 6 hours. And if you want to, you can put it in the oven and brown it a few minutes after it gets all done. That's it. That's all you need to do to it. If you don't feel comfortable just leaving your chicken like this, you can add a little bit of water, but I'm not going to. I'm going to let it make its own water. And I'll show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like in the crock pot. And it's on high. We're going to cook it 4 to 6 hours. We're going to lock our Pioneer Woman thing down. And I call this meal done. All we're going to do is set it and forget it. So, it'll be done 4 to 6 hours. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Push the like, the subscribe button if you ain't already. And I'll leave the recipe to the jerk chicken seasoning over on my community page. And maybe after a while, if I think about it, I'll post a picture of what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Bye.